Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted to make some Play-Doh with you, something very simple, and use things that we have around our own house to do it. So let's go! For our Play-Doh, we have 1 cup of flour that we're going to add into the bowl. There we go. Now I'm going to add in the 1/4 cup of salt. Now we're going to add our 1/2 cup of water and slowly pour it in as we mix it all up. Getting it really good in there, trying to get all of it mixed in. I'm doing what's called kneading the dough, and that's how we're going to get this Play-Doh to be the right texture. And then soon we'll be adding color. Now that we've gotten this dough to a great texture, if you want, we can add color, which of course I want to, and then we're going to play with it and see how moldable and playful it really is. Let's do this. Now I understand working with food coloring can be messy. So, to help with this, I've put a few of the doughs into a bag. Then, you just put a few drops onto it. Then you can reseal the bag. And then this can be a fun, exciting thing for anyone to do. Get it all colored in there. And then eventually you take it out and it will be blue. Or you can do other ways like just using gloves to whatever's easier for you. These are the final products of me adding food coloring, and I am not disappointed. The color are just, they're awesome. The colors came out really cool. So let's get to molding and see how great this Play-Doh really came out. Now I'm going to try to use this mold. I've pushed it in and see if it's actually really like good Play-Doh. See. It's not coming out like Play-Doh. Actually, it's, mind you, I didn't do it to push it into the little things, but it really came out pretty well. And like I said, look at how neat the color looks. This is definitely worth it, and I will make this over and over and over. Well, friends, I hope you had a great time today. I know I sure did. And I made myself a little colorful snowman. Well, if you enjoyed yourself, keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie. And that would be me. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to more and more fun.